Hi, this is my video on how to make Reishi mushroom ginseng tea for immunity and energy. The first ingredients you'll need is 2 ginseng roots and a reishi mushroom. It's also called Lingzhi. You could also get red reishi mushroom powder and use that. So the first step you want to do is cut the mushroom up. It's a bit fibrous, so it could be a bit tough. Once you've done that, you can wash the ginseng roots off while your cat watches you. Now that we have all the ingredients, you'll want to get about half a gallon of water and bring it to a boil. Once at a boil, add in your ingredients. I also like to add the stem in too, but it's probably not necessary. Just give it a little stir. And then put the heat down to low. Place a cover on it. And let that sit for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can turn off the heat and it should look a little something like this. Next, you want to strain the tea. So I just take a basic strainer with another pot and I pour it over. Just so we don't have any chunks of ginseng or reishi in the tea. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to make reishi ginseng tea. Now I will say it is a bit bitter, so I'll usually only have about a glass a day, especially in the winter time, to ward off any colds. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.